Hi, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the text-free mobile app works. Text-free provides users with a second phone number for calling and texting, ideal for keeping personal and work communications separate on the same device. The app is available for both Android and iOS and operates using Wi-Fi or data instead of relying on a cellular plan. Once users download and install the text-free app, they can sign up and choose a free second phone number from a list of available area codes. The app allows users to send unlimited text to any US number and make free calls to other text-free users. For calls to non-users or landlines, users can purchase minutes or earn them through in-app offers. The interface includes a dial pad, messaging inbox, voicemail, and customizable settings for notifications, ringtones, and voicemail greetings. One of the key benefits is the ability to maintain privacy by using a separate number without needing a second device. The messaging experience feels similar to a standard SMS app, and voicemail transcription is also available. However, calls can sometimes suffer from lower audio quality, especially on weak connections, and international support is limited. According to recent user reviews, many appreciate having a functional second number for free and find it useful for online sign-ups or job-related calls. Some reviews mention ads can be intrusive, and a few users reported issues with call reliability or delays in notifications. Overall, text-free is a solid choice for users who need a basic second number for texts and occasional calls without paying for an extra line. While the app includes ads and some features are locked behind purchases, the core functionality remains usable and convenient. If you have questions or notice anything missing, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for email.